Hi guys, welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. In today's video, I'll be doing a realistic clean in my kitchen, but not necessarily a perfect clean. Life has been really busy lately, and since our kitchen is also our drop zone, it gets messy really quickly. For me, any mess affects my mood, and it's an instant pick-me-up once it's back to the clean slate. When this space starts to get out of control, I definitely feel it mentally. Honestly, starting is always the hardest part for me. I know I need to do this, but I also get sidetracked with a million other tasks that I have, and somehow I end up doing them first. For me, I feel like I leave the biggest task for last, and then I just feel overwhelmed sometimes, so I continue to procrastinate. But once I start, I feel so much better. When it comes to a kitchen, I like to work in sections. So for me, I usually clear the island first or start with dishes, one of these two. But either one of these areas, depending on how bad they are, give me the most visual feeling of accomplishment and the momentum to keep going. I like to focus on the areas that make the biggest difference first, and if I don't have time, I don't try to make things perfect, especially if I know I'm going to be cooking a meal in here as soon as I'm finished cleaning. Then I'll just clean, but not deep clean, if that makes sense. But for me, this makes everything feel much more manageable. And honestly, I'm a big fan of cleaning as I go, but with kids, that doesn't always work out. With everything I have going on right now, especially getting ready for a move, I've really been trying to focus on simple routines that help me stay grounded. Plus, my daughters will be out of school for the summer starting next week, and I've had a lot more events to go to at their school that I've been attending lately. It's always crazy how much lighter a space feels after just taking a little bit of time to reset it. If you've been putting something off, maybe this is your reminder that you don't have to do it all. Just start with one thing. This is nothing perfect, but it's cleaner than before, so honestly that's just enough for me today. Thanks for spending some time cleaning with me today, and if you're new here, say hi in the comments. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. Hopefully this is motivation for you to tackle an area in your home that needs just a little extra attention.